Welcome back to TechMed Easy. My name once again is Gloria, and I'm going to take you through how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. I'm going to open up my Word document, and I'm going to be using this to create for you the table of contents. Listen carefully so that you don't miss out. Alright, on our home page, you're going to see around this side something written on styles. There is no more, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, title, and so on. These are basically what you're going to be using as we make the model call the table of content. Alright, I'm going to highlight my mode of communication. Right here there is an arrow pointing downwards. It portrays all the styles. They're the same as this app, but I prefer this because I'm able to see clearly. So I'm going to assign mode of communication title. So from there, click there. I will modify it. I can change its font size. I'm going to bolden it and change its format to Algerian. Then you click on OK. Alright. After, you go to categories of mode of communication. Highlight it. I'm going to assign it heading 1. Then our first category, we have the Shannon Weaver mode of communication. Highlight it. I'm going to assign it heading 2, and that is because it's under category of communication. We assign category of communication as heading 1, and this is like a subdivision of the category. So that's why I've assigned it heading 2. Then under the Shannon Weaver mode of communication, we have its strength and weaknesses. So highlight on strength. And then I'm going to assign it I'm going to assign it heading 3 because it's under the Shannon Weaver model. It's like a subdivision of the Shannon Weaver model. And remember, we assign the Shannon Weaver as heading 2. So what is under it is supposed to be in heading 3. Let's highlight the weakness also. Sorry, this thing is taking so long. It's getting issues. Right. I'm going to assign it heading 3. Now our next category is the Laswells. Let's highlight it. I'm going to assign it heading 2 because it's also another category. Just as we assign Shannon Weaver as 2, even this one we are going to assign it to. It's under the category. Then under its the Laswell model, we have its strength. We're going to assign it heading 3. Weakness. Assign it heading 3. So the third category we have in the BALOS. Let's highlight it. So we are going to assign it heading 2. It's also another category. Then under it, we have its strength. Sorry, this thing is taking so long. Assign it heading 3. And weakness. So that is what you're going to be doing when you're creating a table of content. If you have a heading 1 and then there is something that is under the heading 1 or something that you're talking about, you assign it a heading 2. And if by any chance that heading 2, that subdivision, also has a subdivision under it, you assign it a heading 3. Alright, now we are going to create our table of content. But before, I want our table of content to be on the very first page. So I will come and put this insert a page break. And as you can see, we're having a new page up. Then you come on references, table of contents. So we have automatic table 1, automatic table 2. Then down here we have custom table of contents. Here you come on it and you decide to do what you want. Maybe you want to change the dotted line into a straight line. You choose what to do. You want to show page numbers? No. You want to write align page numbers? No. But for me, right now, I am going to use automatic table 1. So you click on it and your table of contents is ready. So this is how you create a table of content. I hope my video has been beneficial to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.